Hi guys, welcome to my channel and to my very first video. I'm so excited because for my first video I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful flower mirror, and I did it with the least amount of stuff that I could possibly do it with. So some of the stuff that I used, I had some spray paint, a little knife cutter, some tape, and a glue gun. And then the mirror that I have pictured here is actually an old mirror that my mom had lying around, so I thought it was perfect to get refurbished. Alrighty, I also wanted to show everyone the types of flowers that I used. I have white roses, baby breath, I have daisies, this big white rose. This is the only flower I didn't get from the dollar store. And then I have these aster flowers, and they all came in a bouquet of 5, you guys, so really good deal. And here I'm basically starting to cover the mirror with plastic and tape just so I don't get any of the spray paint on the actual mirror. Well, try my best not to get spray paint on the mirror. So I just had that all covered up and it was all ready to go. And now for the fun part. So this is where I started to spray paint the entire mirror. I chose gold because I thought it would go really good with the pink roses, and it would just look really nice in my room like that. And I kind of just thought like the design of the mirror looked very like, I don't know, like gave me like Greek goddess vibes, so I decided to go with gold and it looked so good. Here I was basically going in with the second coat to make sure that the mirror was fully covered, and I also decided to spray paint some of the butterflies that I got, just so, you know, would add a little pop to the flowers. To be honest, I was really scared for this part because I didn't want to see any spray paint on that mirror. I did get a little bit on like the edges, but I was able to get it off really easily with hydrogen peroxide, and that sucker came right off. I wanted to show you guys what the mirror looked like right after I spray painted it. It literally looks like a brand new mirror. I was so shook. I was like, wow, like it looks so pretty like this. So don't be sleeping on spray paint because it really does work well, and it was really easy. Here I basically set up what I imagined my flower mirror would look like, just so it'd be easier for me to figure out, like, you know, where I wanted all the flowers to go. So here I'm basically showing you guys what I started with. I started with the dark pink layer first. I thought it would look pretty, you know, to use that as the bottom and then have all the other flowers just stacking on top. And that would be used as a base. My whole like little template situation got messed up over there because of the wind, but I basically knew what I was going to do already in my head. So yeah, it was pretty simple, and trust me when I say, when you put that first layer of flowers down, putting the rest on top is so much like easier, just because, you know, you just kind of put the flowers where stuff is missing and stuff like that. So that part was really easy. This is how it looked like when I had added ladder flowers on the darker base, and honestly you guys, it looks so good with minimal flowers too. So if that is what you're into, it will look just as good with, you know, less flowers if you want to use less. But I was going to go crazy with the flowers, so of course I kept stacking until I got the desired look that I wanted. Alright, so this is what the mirror looked like right when I was done with the bigger flowers, and of course I wanted to add more little details. I decided to do the baby's breath towards the end because I kind of wanted it to stick in places where it would pop up and kind of stand out, make it kind of look 3D, I guess you could say. But I just wanted it to look like really like magical looking, so I decided to go with that, and I thought it actually ended up looking really good like this and really pretty. And after the baby's breath, you guys, you can be done, but I wanted to add these butterfly things that I had bought. I was never even planning to put butterflies, but when I saw them, I thought they would be so perfect for the little flower mirror project that I was doing, so I did it. I even spray painted some gold, and yeah, I thought it really looked good, and these ended up bringing like the mirror to life. And just like that, you guys, we are all finished with the mirror. It literally ended up coming out so good. Like I kind of thought it was gonna come out good, you know, but just when you finally see the end product, you're like, okay, like this is bomb. And you know, I got a new mirror, I got a new place to take pics, you know, real cute. I know a lot of you guys have mirrors too, because I've seen those mirror pics on IG. So if you guys end up wanting to make a flower mirror, tag me and show me it, because I'd really like to see it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my first video, and if you guys want to see more videos like these, just make sure to like and subscribe.